Hey guys, we are going to hop right into this video, starting with our first apartment for the day. This is Woodland Park. This is in Bronzeville, kind of close to South Loop. As you can see, they have a parking lot designated for visitors as well as the residents. The building is gated, so technically it is a gated community. I really love the way that they staged this unit. Very nice decorations. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath, a little over 1,000 square feet. Walk-in closet here. Relatively spacious. I think that is the primary bathroom. This is the primary bedroom. He did say it was a king bed right here. And I'm just stepping back to let you guys see how big it is. Really nice size main bedroom. Right now they are having a special, I think he said $1,900 for the first 6 or 7 months. Then after that it would be $2,200 per month. They do have the washer dryer right there. It's the small one that you did see. I'm used to it being a separate washer and a separate dryer, but they put it all in one. This is the second bedroom right here. He said this is a king bed too. Modern appliances. I really like the color scheme that they do have. Just overall, I just think it's really nicely decorated. And definitely enough space for one, perhaps even 2 people. They have a desk over there. I know a lot of people work remotely these days or hybrid, so they do have a place for your desk. This building is not necessarily super big on amenities, but they do have a couple ones to point out. This right here is their lounge area. There's also another area for washer dryer if you have larger loads. Okay, we are at our next stop. This right here is their lobby area. They have a small business center as well where you can do remote work. This is their lounge area. It was pretty decent, not mad at it. And to the left over here is their gym. I didn't want to go all the way into the gym because there was somebody in there. Didn't want to disturb. And it was a little small, so I didn't want it to get overcrowded. Okay, so now we are inside of the unit. It is a 2-bed, 2-bath, a little over 1,000 square feet, about 1080. I think this style would be considered like a loft style. Very open. They have a washer dryer in unit, which is definitely a must for me. Relatively spacious living room straight ahead. And this right here is considered their second bedroom, which to me, this is not a real or true bedroom. It's more just like a secondary space, but I wanted my bedroom to have a door. But it can definitely be used as like a den or something like that. Here is the primary bedroom. It wasn't all that big at all, as you can see, but here it is. It does have its own bathroom. Here goes some closets. And again, this is a 2-bed, 2-bath apartment. And this does not have a tub, as you see, so just a shower, but the first bathroom near the entrance, it does have a tub. This apartment building is located in South Loop, so a very popular area. The view is definitely nice. Our last unit for the day is located in South Loop as well. This apartment here, I do like the area. It has a lot of restaurants that you could easily walk to. They have a Bar Louie. You see those restaurants over there. That's one of the things that I like about certain buildings. This is our last tour for the day, but I will show you the unfurnished unit as well as the furnished unit. They could have done a little better with tidying this up for a tour, but hey. And by it being empty, you can kind of see just how bright it gets, which is one of the things that I love about certain apartments, that you get all of that natural light. Amazing, amazing view right here. The amenities actually look a little better than the units, in my opinion. Here is their indoor swimming pool. And here is the furnished unit. It does look a lot better staged. And it's a different floor, but still a really good view. This room right here is kind of interesting. It's considered their art room, where you literally just go in there and do art. And right here is their laundry room. This building does not have in-unit washer dryers. They have a really nice lounge area, a lot better than what I expected, to be honest. Very spacious. You can see their patio area in the back. I don't think it's necessarily considered a rooftop, but definitely an outdoor space. And this wraps up this video. Make sure that you guys leave me a comment if you have any questions, and make sure that you hit that subscribe button. See you next time.